Installation. ADePT version 4 can be downloaded and installed from our webpage at www.worldbank.org/adept. To download the installation file, simply click on it with the mouse, then click Run to begin downloading. ADePT installation will display the license agreement, which you have to accept in order to proceed. The installation wizard then asks where ADePT should be installed. Click Browse to specify the folder. I like to install the programs in the root catalog C. Here you can either use the existing folder or create a new one. You can also type the path in the destination folder box. Note that you must have permission to write to this folder when ADePT is running. Click Install to start copying the files. ADePT program will start automatically, and then you can close the installation wizard. To receive notifications about updates, features, and new releases of ADePT, please register your email address in our users database. Now you are ready to use ADePT.